Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to show you how I prepared Bangada fish fry, which is beach style fish fry recipe. What do I mean by beach style fish fry recipe? I'm going to show you two versions also in this fish fry. One is rava coated and the other one is just the masala tawa fry. Around this beach there are a lot of shack shops which sell this fish fry and it's very tasty. We can pair it with South Indian meals or eat it as a starter. Here I've laid out all the ingredients required for this recipe. I'll be using mackerel fish. The guts are cleaned, washed, drained and reserved. So the fish is very clean. I'll be using spice powders, which is sambar powder, two different types of chili powder, turmeric powder and salt. One chili powder is just for the coloring. The other one is very spicy. I'll also be using vinegar. If you can get hold of coconut vinegar, please use coconut vinegar. That's what they use in these beachside shack shops. So why I'm using sambar powder? It already contains a lot of pepper, cumin, asafoetida. So it enhances the flavor and taste. So that is what they use in all these small street side stalls. I'm combining all the ingredients, the masala powders that is, together, and I'll be adding approximately 8 tablespoons of vinegar. You can use malt vinegar. If you can find the original malt vinegar, use that, or the coconut vinegar. It enhances the flavor and taste. So 8 tablespoons of vinegar is what I used. Mix it into a fine paste like. This is going to be applied all over the fish. This fish fry can be served with South Indian meals, or it can be served as a starter. Even it can be served with biryani, pulao. Now I've started to apply this marination all over the fish, even inside the gut area, that is all over the stomach. I've applied generous portions of this marination and allow this fish to marinate for 1 hour's time before frying it. But if you leave it overnight refrigerated, it will marinate even well and you'll have a very tasty fish for frying the next day. The masalas will penetrate evenly and the fish will be very tasty if you allow it to marinate overnight. But here I didn't have time, so I've allowed it to marinate for an hour's time. Now that I've applied the marination to the fish, I've used up all that marination. I didn't waste anything. Now I'll allow it to marinate. Then we'll start frying it out. So the fish has marinated at this point. Now I'm going to start frying it on a tawa. First is the tawa fry I'm going to show you, and then I'll show you the deep fried version. So in the tawa I'll be adding peanut oil. Normally in this shacks and all these small street side food vendors, they use sesame oil or peanut oil. Allow the oil to cook well and smoke. I'm using unrefined groundnut oil, so it has to smoke. That's only then you can start frying out your food. So here you can see we have started to shallow fry the fish. We have placed the fish on the tawa and we'll fry it. We did fry it for 5 minutes on each side. This is on very low to medium flame. Don't place it on high flame, your fish will burn. On low to medium flame, fry your fish for 5 minutes on each side. Keep flipping it and fry it. Use a fork while you are turning the fish and fry it. All the ingredients and materials used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video along with measurements. The same recipe is also translated and posted in YouTube Tamil. YouTube Tamil link will also be listed in the description box below this video, along with my social media handle links, and a detailed blog link will be posted. A detailed recipe blog link will also be posted in the description box below this video. So using a fork, we flipped the fish and we fried it to the stomach side also. So that is a tip I can give you. Use a fork and a spatula to turn your fish evenly and fry it to all sides. Now at this point you can deep roast it as much as you want. You can place it on high flame and roast your fish to your desired consistency. At this point the fish is cooked and it's thoroughly cooked. It's ready to be served. Now we'll serve the fish. I've roasted the fish. This is tawa fry version I've shown you. Now I'm going to show you the rawa fried version or the deep fried version. For deep fried version, I'll be using egg and rava to coat the fish, but the marination is the same. I've added egg white to the fish. Now we'll be marinating the egg white in the fish. We'll apply it all over the fish and we will start coating the fish with the rava. Rava is Semolina. I'm using regular Upma rava for this recipe. Now that the fish is coated with rava, I've heated oil in a wok and we'll gently place the fish in the oil and start frying it out. I'm frying this on low to medium flame. Don't place it on high flame. Your fish will not cook inside, but the rava will get burnt outside. Gently flip it and fry it to all sides. Once the fish is fried, I have drained it from excess oil and I served this. I'll be frying the second batch in the same way. I flipped it and fried it for 2 minutes on each side. So altogether 10 minutes on very low to medium flame. I kept tossing it to all sides and I fried it. So the second batch is also ready. My fish is thoroughly cooked. All the links to my blog and social media along with the ingredients and a detailed recipe blog link will be posted in the description box below this video. We have served this fish. One thing what I did was I sprinkled a little bit of extra sambar powder on top and pepper powder and I served it with some lime wedges and onions. So do give this recipe a try, friends, and post your comments. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. The fish was very tender inside and it was very juicy. We thoroughly enjoyed it. Give this recipe a try and post your comments. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.